Lulu Group International, headquartered in Abu Dhabi, the capital of UAE, with more than 145 hypermarkets and shopping malls, is one of the top 20 fastest growing retailers in the world. The group has operations in 28 countries with a global workforce of more than 42,000, of which almost 28,000 are Indians and 26,400 from Kerala alone. Led by its dynamic and visionary chairman and managing director, Yusuf Ali M.A. The group has ambitious expansion plans for India, with new projects coming up in Thiruvananthapuram and Kochi. The Cyber Tower in Kochi, Kerala. Uttar Pradesh, the largest state in India. Sunrise state of Andhra Pradesh. High-tech city of Hyderabad. And of course, in God's own country, Kerala. Kerala. Romance real-time with serene waterscapes. The home of glorious gods. A domain for festivals and dazzling races. Truly God's own country. Kochi, Queen of the Arabian Sea, a land well connected. Lulu Mall in Kochi transformed the way the world shops, and now presenting another glorious pearl in Kochi's necklace, the Lulu Bolgatti International Convention Center and the Grand Hyatt. The Lulu Bolgatti International Convention Center. This is one of the largest of its kind in Asia, with an investment of over 1,800 crore rupees. Five state-of-the-art convention and event halls can host up to 10,000 guests in a space spanning over 1 million square feet. Fit for world-class summits, cultural shows, exhibitions and global conferences. Smaller boardrooms and meeting centers provide compact spaces and privacy for exclusive events. Designed to the modern times, combining the warmth and hospitality of old world traditions. The Grand Hyatt has an array of luxuriously appointed rooms and suites that are a home away from home and pampers you with the most modern amenities. Plush interiors open to the divine view of the sea and beyond. Find a 24-hour state-of-the-art fitness center and relaxing swimming pools. Rejuvenate in Santata, a specialized spa and Ayurvedic center where you can experience the magical healing touch. Bask in the outdoor pool while the children splash in water rides. Thai Soul takes you to explore enticing Thai cuisine and discover authentic dishes. Malabar Cafe brings you delicacies of the kitchens of North Kerala. Experience the colorful cultural melange. Discover a new story. Unravel the mystery of the evening. The Lulu Bolgatti International Convention Center and the Grand Hyatt Hotel. Find yourself with the Pearl of Kerala, where the world comes to meet.